Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum. My name is Hassan and today we are going to block or unsubscribe email address in Gmail account. Before starting work, it's my request, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Now back to our work. So we are in email and then you see on top unsubscribe. So if you want, you can use this option, and if you want to block email address, now you see more, so click on it and then you see multiple option and then you see block, so click on it and then you see pop up block this email address. Future messages from this will be marked as spam. If you want, you can click on block, so it's up to you. So in this way you can unsubscribe or block email address in Gmail. So I hope you like this video. Please like, comment, share, subscribe. Thank you for watching.